Hi my friends, are you okay? Do you know what's a parallax effect? If you never heard it, a parallax effect is one where objects which are closer appear to move faster relative to objects farther away. By extension of the same logic, objects which are farther away appear to move more slowly. It's what this video is showing on the background. How can we create this effect in Muvizu? For instance, if you are thinking on a landscape, you need to get some separate pictures, mountains, trees, whatever, as long your background was transparent. PNG format is better for that. Very well. We enter Muvizu, and we will start creating several backdrops, resizing them according their relative distances. Of course, depending on the landscape you are thinking of. You assign to each backdrop one of the images with transparent background you gather first. This way you create some depth. It's now time to adjust and resize all backdrops in order to meet your display needs. Finally, create another backdrop, lay it on the floor, and put it beneath your main character. You are almost there. Start animating each backdrop, moving properties speed selector. Choose right percentage, trying to mimetize real world, adapting it to character movements, taking into account that which is farthest, slower should move. That's it. Hope this could help you in the near future.
Yahoo! I am really running! Yahoo! I am really running!